Hey guys, it's Greg. I'm getting ready to pack up. But while I'm doing this, I've been getting a lot of questions on my pistol case. So I thought I'd do a close-up and give you a brief explanation on what it is and where you can find it at. Hopefully it helps. What I'm running is the Case Club 5-pistol case, the hard case, and it will hold 20 magazines, and it will have sections where it actually carries the double stack IA Glock staccatos, and you can also carry single stack magazines with it. The dimensions for it will be, I want to say it's 19.75 this way, almost 15.5 this way, and 7.5 deep. Opening it up is done like any Pelican. 2 hinges, locking points on each side. Again, it's a 5 and it's configured. I've got it configured for 4 because I can take this one section out, and this is where I'll keep my Ear Pro, Eye Pro here. But again, like you can see, carry double stacks, carries with optics, and it will actually carry with the Surefire X300. The great thing about it is, unlike a lot of the cases you get, it's going to have like the Eggshell crate. This comes with the military grade poly that's pre-cut, so it holds and actually does a better job securing. It does have a rubber gasket around this side, so which makes it waterproof. And once you close it, again, just like the standard, it actually has a pressure relief valve here. Now, the great thing about this case is it is almost identical to your Pelican cases. But the key thing is this case costs $104, plus I order all mine through Amazon, and I can have it in 1 to 2 days free shipping, which the same case and other brands is going to run about anywhere from $200 to $250. So again, it saves you a lot of money. I went ahead and put a link down below, so if you want to look at it. Again, I use Amazon for a lot of my kit that I purchase, just due to the fact is some of the best rates around, and I can get it in either that day or the next day free. Hopefully this helps. If you can, like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and put some comments down below if you need any questions on it. Again, stay safe.